Keep your garbage off my car. Keep your garbage off my land. But seriously, let's pick it up.
Okay. I want a bag.
Here, you can have a bag. Here you go. Do you want a glove?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Well, looks pretty good around here. I'd say we did a pretty good job.
Yeah.